Hello everyone. I hope everyone's safe at home in this corona time. So today let's see how to use AND function in Excel. So this function tests two or more conditions to see if they are all true. It can be used to test that a series of numbers meet certain condition. It can be used to test that a number or a date falls between an upper and lower limit. So let's see AND function how we can use in Excel. So I have already created a table which have item to test, column and result. So let's write it. So and select the first item. Going to use condition for this. So greater than equal to 100, comma, select the second item, greater than equal to 100, close the parenthesis, press enter. As you can see, we got the result true because here the item 400 is greater than 100, right? And the item 700 is greater than 10 or 100. So the condition is true, right? Let's drag and drop it, right? As you can see here, conditions, the item 400 is greater than or equal 100, right? Condition is true, but the item 25 is not greater than or equal 100, so the result is false. Again, same in this column. So let's see for the 15 item how we can solve this. Going to use AND function here. Select the item is greater than or equal 1. Let's select again this item. So less than or equal 20, close the parenthesis, press enter. As you can see, we got the result is true because the condition matches the right. Like we have item 15 is greater than 1, that's the condition is true, and the 15 item is less than of 20, the condition is again true. The result is true for this. Let's see other example. We have other table here. In the second example, let's find out the result by using the AND and the average function. So I'm going to use AND function here and select the math number. So greater than equal to, going to use average function here. Select the criteria, close parenthesis, comma, select English number greater than equal to average. Select the criteria here, close the parenthesis, comma, select physics number greater than equal to, going to use average function again. Select the criteria, close parenthesis, again close the parenthesis of the beginning. So let's press the enter. As you can see, we got the result is true because the average is less than math number of, you can see here the math number is 75, the average is 48. English number is 80 and the average number is 53. Physics number is 82 and the average number is 59. So the condition all satisfy the condition here. So let's drag and drop it. Okay, as you can see, we got the result false because the English subject number have didn't get the didn't satisfy the condition, right? Because here we getting the 30 number in English and the average number is 53, so the condition is false. So according this we got the result here, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching this video.